let me show you guys what we're doing here. So those are stucco repairs. If you remember in the last video, I was showing you guys all the cracks that had this house, and believe it or not, it had a lot of holes from the balls from the golf court. See, like I just threw. So we're here, and they didn't want to do the block wall. They only wanted to paint the house. So this is what we do. We had painted already, but I didn't like all the lines from the repairs before us and after we did them. So I didn't like the repairs, and if we don't like something here, if we wouldn't do it in our house, we won't do it in yours. So I told the guys, let's go back all again and let's get this right. Let's fix it. Let's make it look good. We are proud of our work here at Marigold. Let me show you guys. Hey, good morning. So I'm gonna show you guys what we're doing here. We took the whole frame out from this exterior door, and we took it out. It was rotten. That was the one that was here before, and we're just putting it back. We're putting it back so it looks nice and brand new. Hey guys, so here finishing up in Peoria, Arizona. We changed the color, painted the pop outs, painted the fascia board, painted the garage doors. It was a full repaint. They didn't want to do block wall, perimeter wall, but this just looks really, really good. The guys knocked it out of the park, sorry. It got to about 118 degrees yesterday here in Peoria, so it's pretty hot. You can see, remember the door that Wilmer was doing. Switching the trim. Trim looks great, beautiful. I'll show you guys around. It's a beautiful house next to a golf course, sorry. And it's just a great looking pretty house. Here the owner, well, they're selling the house, and the HOA had given them several notice. Remember, you guys probably remember this wall down up here, how it looked. Look at it now. Looks incredible. We'll see you guys again. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, you guys remember this wall? how bad it looked, all the cracks and all the stucco repairs? Well, this is it, the finished product. Here, like I said, the first time we didn't like how the repairs before were done, and even when we did them, we just didn't like them. And so what we ended up doing is adding stucco to all the cracks, and it just makes it look different and prettier and just smoother. We try to do our best job here at Marigold Painting, and if it's not done right the first time, we'll do it until we get it right. And in this particular case, this house, it's gonna be sold, so they just wanted like a quick repair, stucco, just a flip so they can sell it, make it look nicer. But we still, even though it's a quick fix, we still try to do the best quality that we can for this. We don't like to leave things half. Let me show you guys the door that Wilmer was doing. Try not to move a lot so the camera doesn't. Look at that. Look at that door with the new trim. That looks incredible. Looks really, really good. Here, like I said, the owner, see that stucco? We don't like that. We don't like to leave it like that. But here, the owner, he's just like, you know what? Just add stucco to it. Doesn't matter. Just leave it like that. But we tried our best. There, we had to just stucco that whole wall for it to look better. But he just didn't want to spend more money on it. That's totally fine. We understand the budget. And let me show you guys how it looks inside. Look at those garage doors.